All right, welcome back everyone. We are on step 3, which is where we start adding text to our projects. Now, in this template, text already built for me and it's formatted for me and I like the way it looks, so I'm going to use it, but I'm also going to show you all of the different tools that Canva has for you so that you can be a little bit more creative if you're building from scratch or you're not huge on the template text placement. So I'm going to go ahead and click on my text just to show you how easy it is to replace it with your own. And again, I'm going to be using this one, so I'm going to go ahead and start it out. However, if you would like to build your own, go over to the left in the text tab. It has different sizes for you, so it has like a header size, a subheader size, and a body text size. It also has different templates for you to use. They're all free and it's pretty awesome. It has some great things that you can add to your graphics. If you go over back to your image that you're creating, you can highlight it. There's different fonts. You can change the font size, the color. You can, in some particular fonts, you have the option to do bold or italicized, the text alignment. You can do lowercase, uppercase, all with just one click. Have bullet points. You can mess around with the spacing of your graphics as well as the line height that just moves it up and down. And again, lots of different tools for you to use here. I'm going to let you go and create away with your text, and we'll meet back for step 4.